sorry?
Can I be connected to the cosmetic department, please?
This is cosmetics. How may I help you?
Do you have a large, extensive plethora of lipsticks?
Leather lipsticks?
Yes.
Like fake leather?
No.
No, we don't have leather lipstick.
Pleather of lipsticks.
No. Well, what kind of brand were you interested in?
I'm new at this. I don't know any brands.
Okay, we have L'Oreal, CoverGirl. How much do you want to spend?
I don't need any shiny cover girl. I'm not a cover girl.
You're not a CoverGirl?
I'm a back page girl.
You're a back page girl.
I'm a big woman.
I'm sure you're a CoverGirl. I'm sure if you come in, I can make you look like a CoverGirl.
I'm gonna be honest with you. If I come in, I'm pretty sure I can't fit through double doors.
You can't fit. I mean, our doors are at least like 10 feet wide, so I'm sure you could fit.
I'm 3 tons.
Are you serious? How are you 3 tons and living? You know what? You should call I don't know. What's that records thing? You can win all sorts of crazy money.
I'm a big woman. I like my men to be satisfied. So I was wondering if you just had any kind of lipstick that when he kisses me, make him go,
Make him go what? Did you say make him go,
Yes.
Well, we have like flavored lip glosses. And I know that KY company makes like flavored body lotion. Yeah. So come, I don't know. Maybe have your man come in. Is he large too?
Oh no, he's off eHarmony, honey. He is so fine.
He's fine.
Yes.
Really?